The air conditioning system in your car helps to cool down the cabin. But sometimes it can develop musty, moldy, or strange odors. Fortunately, there are several simple and effective ways to remove these odors and keep your car smelling fresh. Before you turn off your car, switch off the air conditioner and let the fan run for a minute. This helps dry out the moisture in the system, reducing the chances of mold and bacteria growth. The air conditioner has a drain line that removes moisture. If this line gets clogged, it can cause mold and mildew to grow. Use a thin wire or a small brush to clear any obstructions in the drain line. A dirty cabin air filter can trap dust, dirt, and bacteria, causing unpleasant smells and reducing air quality. Replacing it regularly helps keep the air fresh and the AC system working efficiently. Set your air system to the coldest setting with the fan running on high. Press the air circulation button and allow the air to circulate throughout the system. Then, apply an odor eliminator. A good car air freshener can temporarily mask the smell until you can tackle the source of the odor, providing an immediate sense of freshness and comfort in your car. Chemical Guys Air Freshener is designed to provide a lasting fragrance that keeps your car smelling fresh for weeks. It has specialty enzymes that destroy odor-causing agents to permanently stop odors at their source. It is formulated to be safe for the interior of your car. Evaporator and heater foam cleaner helps reduce bacteria, mold, and allergens that can circulate through the car's air system, improving overall air quality inside your vehicle. LoopGuard Evaporator and Heater Foam Cleaner helps maintain your AC system. It improves efficiency and extends its lifespan. The cleaner targets mold and mildew. It also eliminates unpleasant smells, leaving your car fresh. Its regular use can prevent future odors and keep the air clean. When driving, keep the windows open for a few minutes to allow fresh air to circulate inside the car. This can help reduce any stale smells in the air conditioning system. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove bad smells from your car's air conditioner and enjoy a fresh and clean driving experience.